Alright, 12 mil. And another one up here. 3. I don't think we need them any longer. Make sure you get this O-ring. There we go. Looks like there's a washer. Looks like it's welded to it. There's a plug here. Let's see if we can get this plug out. We can't get that plug out unless I got something to grab it. Gentlemen, just pop out of there. Just pop out of there. There we go. I'll save it. Make sure that's all clean. Alright, now is when we really want to pay attention to the directions. Almost positive this needs to go in first. Yeah. These painful pictures here, but that's the order of operations right here. Put the manifold in before you put this in. Taking this back out. Size is it? 17? Yep. Looks like we're at the crossroads of might have to adjust this pipe a little. Figures. Beneath my window, I will hear you from above. Just move you out of the way a little bit. You can come around any hour of the day or of the night. That's good. I'm gonna make sure that love it. You don't have to go crazy, just snug that baby up. You don't want to break that stud off the back of it. That'd be bad. Alright, now I have to prepare the manifold. Get all these over. 2 more minutes in us. Situated. Dilate your grease. And just smear them grooves in with a little of that. Get the appropriate O-ring. Make sure that is in there. You want that grease to form a vacuum. See, that one wants to jump out. That one's in there good now. Stay. Now we need O-rings for this part. Those would just be way too big. So it'd match up the end. Yep. And you want this stuff to be really slippery. Especially that little plug where it's getting plugged into. We can do this. There we go. I was turning it, and then it popped right in. Alrighty. Well, I know that one's for those two. And then it's going to give us... Alright. Look at... That one's getting a stud. We're going nowhere yet. Anytime you're doing a stud with Kubota, it's always going to be the flat side. Oh, it's lunchtime. Oh yeah, we have a 12 here. Another 12 here. Turn that in a little bit. Turn that one in. Plenty of threads. Perfect. That's the fast way to do that. Alright, it's lunchtime. Well, I think we're ready to get in there and install the manifold here. And those O-rings feel like they just want to jump out on them. Yeah.
Your compressors are spring compressors.
Bottom drawer.
Am I allowed the bottom drawer?
Yeah. Just don't be looking at all that paperwork. All that. Yeah. Alright, we got our O-rings. Find the hole. Just gonna spin and push the tube in. There we go. See it popped in. Popped in. Do my flashlight over here.
Here's a problem.
You can do it. You just have to. You have to start it. You have to sneak it through. Still looking good. All we can do is hope. I hope the music's not too loud. Just tighten these things evenly. These bolts. Just go back and forth a couple times. All right, that should be good. Now, we need to get these O-rings started. Just smooth that right around. Yeah, and then take what you smeared around. Get into them corners. So it'll want to form a little water displacement barrier and keep some rust out that might form right away. Just put a little extra in my hand here. These O-rings always stay in place much better. I know there should be copyright-free music. If not, oh well. Alright, we got that done. Looking good. Just checking the orientation. Where my stuff go? I'll just leave that there for a second. So far pretty easy. Now sometimes if you tighten these bolts down too, excuse me, if you tighten these bolts down too much, your lever here isn't going to go back and forth so nicely. It'll probably feel sticky or not move very great at all. So 1/4 inch ratchet. All the tool you need. That feels good. Let's do a test run. Pins, washers, and some tiny cotter pins that you don't want to lose because it seems like when they jump on you, they take a ride. Look at that, they got that fitted in there. Perfect. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This ain't good. Alright, you know what I can do now? I'm having some trouble, but I can get through this. Just push the pin through. Just push the pin through. There we go. Washer. Okay, let me take these gloves off. These little cotter pins are ultra delicate. Do not lose it. I've done it. Boom. One more time. Oh, see, that thing just jumped on me. Let's get it on my skin here. Careful, careful, steady, steady.